Welcome to the Mindanao leg of the SM Scholars General Assembly. Maligayang pagdating sa Davao City! Today, SM Scholars from Davao and General Santos City are gathered here at SM Lanang to celebrate a day filled with fun activities and catching up.
I believe that this interaction will help me to grow as a person and inspire me to make a positive impact to the community.
One thing that I look forward here in this General Assembly is to first meet my co-scholars and personally thank the SM Scholarship Foundation for giving me the opportunity na makapag-aral ng aking tertiary education.
Dito aabot ang 50 pesos mo. I am SM. We are SM.